Here we will see date time picker control in Windows application. The date time picker control is used to allow the user to select a date and time and to display that date and time in the specified format. The date time picker control makes it easy to work with date and times because it handles a lot of data validation automatically. Different properties for date time pickers are: first is name, which is used to get or sets the name of the control. Three-letter prefix is DTP. Next is enabled, which is used to get or sets a value indicating whether the control can respond to user interaction. Font property is used to get or sets the font name, style and size of the text displayed in control. Format property is used to get or sets the format of date and time displayed in control. Custom format is used to get or set the custom format. In the format property, if the format is custom, then only you can set the custom format. These are the different custom format for the date time picker. You can use the date time picker to display the time. For this use hours, minutes, second format. If you have specified only T, it will display A for AM and P for PM, and if you have specified TT, it will display AM or PM. Next is max date, which is used to get or sets the maximum date and time that can be selected from the control. Min date is used to get or sets the minimum date and time that can be selected from the control. Tab index property is used to set the index value of the control within a set of control within its container. Visible property is used to get or sets a value indicating whether the control is visible or not. Size property is used to get or sets the height and width of the control. Different methods are focus, which is used to set the focus to the control, hide, which is used to hide the control from the user, and show is used to display the control to the user. Events for date time pickers are: first is click, which occurs when the control is clicked. Close up. This event occurs when the drop-down calendar is dismissed and disappears. Drop down occurs when the drop-down calendar is shown. Format changed occurs when the format property value is changed. Value change occurs when the value property is changed. Key press event occurs when the character or a spacebar or a backspace key is pressed while the control has focus. Key down event occurs when key is pressed while the control has focus. Leave event occurs when the input focus leaves the control. And lost focus event occurs when the control loses the focus. Now we will see the properties, methods and events for date time picker. We will add a date time picker here. First property is name. So give the name DTP TDate. By default, the current system date is displayed in the date time picker. Now we will see the format. These are the different format properties for date time picker. First is long, which will display 18th January 2021. In detail, it will display. In short, it will display month, date and year format. If you select time format, it will display the current time in the date time picker. And if you select custom, you can set the format in custom format. So if you are given td/, it will display the format like 18 Jan 21. If I will give this dash, it will display format 18 Jan 21. If I give the format, it will display date in DDMMYY format. If I give 2 times Y, it will display short year, that is only 21. If you want to display the time with custom format, give the time format. It will display the time. Remember, give hours and minutes in capital and seconds in small letter. Here if I give T, it will display A for AM and P for PM. And if I give TT, it will display AM and PM in detail. Next is enabled. Means if enabled property is true and if you run, you are able to change the date and time format. You can select the date from this calendar also. And if the enabled property is false and if you run, you are not able to change it. Next is max date. You can set the maximum date that the user can enter in your date time picker. If I set here 2021, that is 31 December 21, and if you run, you can change the date, but you can decrease the year, but you can't increase the year. That is, the 2021 is the last year that you can input. Similarly, you can set the minimum date. Value property is used to get the current value of the date time picker. Then we will see the methods. Give the date time picker name, dot hide, will hide the control. If in form load, I will use dtp tdate hide, and if you run, it will hide the control. Similarly, you can use the show method or focus method. Now to get the event, select the control and from property window select events. Here I will use close up event, and in close up event I will display current date. So dtp date dot value dot toString. Message box dot show. So, and when I run, I will open the calendar, I will select the date, and while closing that, it will display the current date. That is close up event. Now we will see drop down event. For this I will add a text box here. I will use drop down event and here I will change the text box 1 dot back color equal to color dot red. When I run, when I click here, it will change the background color for the text box.